Guys, I can't wait to get into this one today. We've got some insane stuff to take a look at. So let's not waste any time here. Let's jump straight into it. All right, first one. This is a very unnecessarily large-sized box. And once I unbox this, guys, you will know. You'll be like, why the hell did they send such a huge box? Did I need all of that space? No. Okay, yes, this is one that we've taken a look at on the channel, and I entered this raffle a while ago, and it's a shocker that I actually won. This is from Sneakers and Stuff. Of course, it is the brand new Drake Nike Air Force One. You guys already know that I did a full review on these things. It is up on the channel. There you go. We've got all of the beads in the bag. Now, these actually recently dropped, so what I would be interested in, let me know, guys, what are you using these beads for? Like, have you put them on the laces? I think they're pretty solid for what they are. No, they're nothing crazy in terms of a collaboration sneaker. Yes, there potentially could have been a lot more done, but listen, it's an all-white Air Force One. It's a classic for a reason. It's the most popular sneaker for a reason, so they just decided to keep it simple. You've got the "Love You Forever" text on the midsole, and you've got the slightly different perforation holes on the toe box, and better leather quality, but that's about it. Yeah, the release happened earlier this week, I think like 3 or 4 days ago, so let me know if you got your pair in, what you think of them. Again, if you managed to get these things for retail, I think it's a solid cop. All right, next up, we got a package from the good people over at No Two Ways, and this is actually an early sneaker. These things are dropping today, I believe. I gotta be honest, this is a colorway that I was extremely excited about. As soon as they announced that this is the colorway that they were gonna be dropping this month, I was like, yo, I got to have these things. And thankfully, they sent them over. There you go, the box will give it away a little bit. Of course, you got the No Two Ways box with the little triangle cut out in the side. I'm so excited to see these things, man. Damn! Oh, these are so freaking clean. This is the No Two Ways Flow colorway. Man, these things just look so clean with the white laces. This is just such a surprisingly dope pair of sneakers. Ever since they first sent out, I think it was the triple black colorway, I have been absolutely loving this sneaker model. And now I've almost got like a decent little collection of No Two Ways sneakers. And I think this might be one of my new favorite colorways. Some suede over here, and you've got leather on the inside. It is a very well constructed sneaker. It looks dope on foot, and this iced out blue colorway just matches the vibe of this sneaker perfectly. These actually haven't dropped yet. This is the brand new Flow colorway. They're going to be dropping today. That is the 12th of December at 6 p.m. If you are interested in this colorway, they will sell out. They will be hard to get, so you definitely want to be prepared because this is a dope ass colorway. And these things only retail at £100, and when you put these things up against some of the other sneakers at that price point, like a Nike Dunk Low, this is way better value for money. It's insane. So yeah, dope pair of sneakers. I really love what they're doing, and I'm just so happy that No Two Ways sent this over to me. Thank you guys. Really appreciate this one because this was a must cop for me. All right, we got a package in from Adidas. This one I actually got on exclusive access. This is one of my biggest W's this year, I think. I really did not expect to be able to get these things for retail, but I'm super glad I did. Yes, sir. Take a look at that box. You got Bad Bunny on the side, and you've got the 3 stripes on the top with the eyeball. This is a solid box. This is my first retail hit on these things. Damn, okay, we got a bunch of extras with this. I think right now, this has got to be like the best collaboration that Adidas is doing. Take a look at this here. I didn't even know that you got an extra pair, but you get 2 extra lace shields or whatever you would call that. They're just 2 little clip-on patches that go on the top of the sneaker. Also get some extra laces, which is very interesting. I think we've got 2 pairs in here. We've got a gray pair and then a lime green, which is very interesting. I can't imagine these looking amazing on the pair of shoes, but I might be wrong. I might try these things out. And they're tucked away in a nice premium little bag. The price point that these are at, there's a lot of premium details and extras added into this sneaker unboxing. Oh yes, let's go, guys. This is the Bad Bunny Forum, and this is the last Forum white colorway. I literally got exclusive access on the Adidas app. These things were dropping on the 10th, which was Saturday, and I think a couple days before, maybe on the 8th or something, it just popped up with a notification on the confirmed app that, yo, check out, you got 30 minutes. They only retail at £140, which I think is like an extra £40 from like a regular Forum. You're getting a lot more of a shoe. Like, you're getting all of these extra details details on it, double layered over here, so I can imagine that's super comfortable. They've actually got a metal buckle, which is really, really cool. So that just kind of clips out. These are going straight into the collection. Let me know if you guys picked up a pair of these things. I was going to do a review on them, but I had to go to SneakerCon over the weekend, so I wasn't actually here, wasn't able to bust it out early. So let me know if you guys would still like to see a review on these things. All right, final package, the one you've been waiting for. The reason we are all here, one of the most hyped up sneakers for this year, and I haven't seen really anybody with this pair of shoes, so it's going to be like my first time unboxing it, seeing what the whole unboxing experience is like, and of course checking the shoes out. So let's get into this box. Very different to what I expected. Here we go, take a look at that. So it's a little bit of a different sleeve. So you still get a sleeve with this pair of shoes, but it's not transparent like some of the last ones. Anyway, let's pull this sleeve off. Let's see what we got underneath. Damn, it is just blacked out, just murdered out Nike box. This is dope. This is actually a super clean box. It off, okay, it's all wrapped up, nice and cozy. We can't see these yet. They're all wrapped up in this, I guess, kind of Jordan bandana with like kind of paisley print all over it. Each shoe is kind of comfortably wrapped up in here. Come on, let me just see the shoes. And here we go. This is the Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott Black Phantom. This is wild. Other pair out, because that's what's got the extra laces on. Let me show you guys what these bandanas look like when they're, I guess, not covering the pair of shoes. You've got this one over here, pretty plain actually. You do have some Cactus Jack logoing on it. And then this one, I believe, has the Jumpman logo somewhere over there in the corner. And yeah, they're pretty much identical, just two little bandanas. I think that's pretty cool. Why not? This sneaker definitely seems like more premium than some of the other ones, at least for the unboxing experience. Okay, so you get multiple extra laces in here, which is very interesting. So you've got all over red, which you can see just over there. And then you've got this one all over white and black, which I actually think would really change the look of this sneaker if you threw these laces on. I think that's definitely the move, to chuck these ones on. It just makes it pop a little bit more. Then take a look at the back tabs over there. That's super interesting. You've got the Jordan Wings logo, and then this one, which is kind of like, I don't know, it's like a bee or a wasp or something like that. This is a very interesting one because from a lot of the images, it just kind of seemed like a pretty basic pair of sneakers. And to some degree, yes, it is. It's definitely not as crazy as some of the other Travis Scott collaborations that we've had. For a pretty basic color scheme, they went in on the materials. Like, this is super, super interesting. Look at that sock liner. It's almost like fleece material. Either way, I'm so excited about these things. Apparently they're going to be relatively high stock-ish, at least for a Travis Scott Jordan 1 collaboration, which means they're still going to be extremely hard to get. But I gotta say, these have kind of surprised me. They're a lot more intricate than I initially anticipated. I thought it's just going to be a basic pair of sneakers, but the materials are solid. They feel premium. The unboxing experience was absolutely nailed. I'm not going to get into too much details because, of course, the review is coming. It should be up on the channel tomorrow. If you want to see these things out in the wild with a full outfit and really just test them out and see what I think, then be sure to tune in, subscribe to the channel because they'll be coming tomorrow. You're going to be going for them on December the 15th when they release. Kind of feels like a rhetorical question. Of course you are. With that being said, guys, that is everything I got for you today. So I want to thank you so much for coming through, hanging out for yet again another video. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one. But until then,